Hey traders, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to connect Plus500 to TradingView in 2025. If you're serious about trading, this integration is a must-have, allowing you to seamlessly analyze charts and execute trades from one dashboard. It's going to save you time and give you a competitive edge in the fast-paced world of 2025 trading. First things first, before we dive in, ensure you have active accounts on both Plus500 and TradingView. You'll need to be logged in and have your API settings ready. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Start by opening your Plus500 platform. Head over to the Settings menu, usually found in the top right corner, and look for the API Access or Integrations section. Here, you'll generate an API key. Make sure to copy this key safely, as it's your golden ticket to the connection. Now, switch to TradingView. Once you're logged in, go to the Indicators or Add-ons section. It's often under the Pine Editor or Community Scripts. Search for Plus500 integration or use the brokerage connection feature. Paste your API key when prompted and authorize the link. TradingView might ask for additional permissions, so double-check those to ensure smooth data flow. Once connected, test it out by pulling in your Plus500 data. You should see real-time charts, price feeds, and even order execution options right in TradingView. If you run into issues, like connection errors, revisit your API settings or check for 2025 updates on both platforms. Technology evolves quickly. By now, you've got a powerful setup that combines Plus500's trading tools with TradingView's advanced analysis. This means better decision-making and more efficient trading sessions. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more 2025 trading tips. Thanks for watching. Happy trading!